Me da for your mobi bia kwa baba salvation era jumadi no so ye danyame asese wode abedu sa empempen so ye twa ye jumadi so disadvantages of social media in our marriage, disadvantages of social media in our marriage. Na ye di jumadi ye fami Eunice Amiza Mashimi ni minuaba
ma me kunedu nkunoma
ye twa se na ye topic ye twa ye be tre can social media cause jealousy and monitoring in our marriage? Can social media cause jealousy and monitoring in our marriage? Inti yebekwa ye papa oni akwakwaji nchechemu sani ya yebehu ayebetoto ya wawe esi afa inti ye mohwini enkwa ye papa oni enkwaji nchechemu daddy mpache mu akwaba
ye
na mpache ho tese
nyame adom
me pache oni ye o church ye how social media edi jealousy and monitoring edi eba yawarim na mi bisa se yese oyire ebeye jealous yese oyire beye jealous ewo social media because any kunu use social media
okay everybody nyagopo insta I think say enye
okay
yemfa no nhia adwene ne ye wo na ne nye so ewo and ye hu ni say jealousy ankasa no enya de papa
okay
enti no say ye kokase eya na ye boa ama bone ayeden akoso ena jealousy ba nipa life ma eduru ba bia ya na etime boa kakrebi obi o wa wo hu say ne partner tuana mombi and ne partner ya ade bia e ma wo trust dwene jealous ne ba e de adwendwene beto so that's the positive side of it e ma put challenge to you in challenge bit ma wo so wasesa what I mention as am akwaye ne e wo say wo ye and in dem say bia obi o wa oba wọ́n ṣe ní kunde bia na social media na hwẹ ma ana hwẹ enkrofobia ana wo say ana wo say when it comes to dressing wọ́n ṣe de bia ní kuru hwẹ enkrofo ma dressing ní kuru so bi aye neater na nani wọ́n ba be man so ton tade be man maniska be man bibi o so be wọ́n pet dressing e man be brain pet dressing me man be brain pet dressing e man be fin wo ba bi dem an rebe ho same time be so run them rebe to who say e bia ne partner no empe dressing to who say onkofobia dressing na attention e konkofo no so ti se ne yira na ne kunu ko say as say mire attention e ko ba bia etime drag no ema otime sisa what the mention say amana ba be ye ne ese anase ne papa and the good side of it by the bad side of it no it's very dangerous. Now we are treating the bad side as the negative side of jealousy in social media and I kasa about it you know. But and then baby a bit focus more no is about when you look at the post of your single friends when you are married person baby omo single friends like omo enam fofo no mo di agro and maybe a twem omo be wara when they see them on social media make us able be hu na wa dress na bia we have a time with the boyfriend or have a time with the girlfriend. The girlfriend so have a time with say ni fiancé kra na mo twetwa pictures o mako a restaurant akwa kodidi o mako vacation e bi oni ni kura firi akonkran o mako abuchiri na o mo akwa twetwa photos ni ade na o mo ko e bi a restaurant o mo ko concert o mo ko shoes o mo ko out what they mean as it o mo ko so a o mo the pictures e bi go social media and you post you know what down for pani mamiki what I mention as and I'm mamiki aware and you know you worry no wuhu me mamiki photos so dey go social media na ade ye na etimi ma wo jealousy den eba wo mu why you be for be say chinchans go worry bi maybe na nya memre enya nya memre so dey worry but because of pictures na hu and pictures na influence so and pictures can be fake. Could be big, you try a picture and it can be fake.
Okay.
With a meter as enti ebi atade kura hima me kwadu no de ebetwa sa photo light atade no koje ne that day no ana ehye no kana hu sem ne tim na wagegya dem no eme ofa ka wo tu ko de besi fe na metu ne ma me kwadu dia nante ba wo hu ne jealousy aba mu ama wa ko se de we wo no so kokko no bi that is ade jealousy and a restaurant there ko ye kodi de ye ni ade no it can be quite be or no skebi e de man so fancy edan bi and skebi e so mfa anye ni container and we hwe ni mu ni sebi bibi nti what is kana ba se kojo yenkonko ye den yenkodi. And if you look at the post of others on social media, now one you very careful, it will mislead you and it will cause a jealousy. Then my jealousy very dangerous. Jealousy very dangerous because when you're very careful, it can end up your marriage.
Okay, Papa, I'm passionate. Me say into fake posting, wrong posting, can it lead me young girl, Messi Susan person, can it lead me to choose a right partner?
It's impossible. So far as I didn't feel, how can that fake thing lead you to choose a right partner? It's already leads you to
a fake, but because I'm who's my friend, a posty adiano, social media, so no, ebi a menu will be obe catching my attention social media no so. Na me because of that, will be entertaining me. I was standing my say, oh, and ebi a me who say ya, minti a baby is on that. No, I can say ebi a what they want because of poster, who. Any my videos, need those kind of stuff or no?
Me two questions.
To say, Ebia, Mawari.
Me know you.
Mawari for me a single madam. No.
You posty cars, you posty fee, baby, you pay corn in the na. Papa Patrobia ne fake. But me a bay who yen. On super bema or tessa. On that same social media, no, when you will be a obeti the same thing a man. But it could be some minimum in the air, a fake, but if no falling into his hand, that person is no good. Okay, but just because of per se, now what we are yet to say, hey, come and connect my warrior, say my media.
A bit, Mama Abasa.
A bit, Mama.
Can be say, first, we can be so obiwo. Social media, we are dealing with the disadvantages in marriage. All the time, we can say, obi obedi mpe. Baby being paid jarry. But once the attention a call, baby. The attention a call, or copy a dear a walk, you can't say a dear a year a will be a ye papa. You know what I'm saying? I do be a ye papa, copy Sadian. I don't copy and war apply. We implement this Sadian. A bit my baby one. By the disadvantages is more higher than the advantage because about 70% of social media life is fake. So if you think I've seen this thing or I've seen this guy, what the guy is doing or what the lady is doing is something which I love it, which to me it seems that is the kind of life I want to live. You later find out, say, watch the person is doing, you know, a baby room, I'm also acquainted because Nippon too expensive things. Yeah. What's the mission I say? See, because of expensive things, you can also go around buy the same thing. When you be the woman, you can go for the fake one.
Yes.
Ukra Gucci bag, Versace bag, Louis Vuitton papa. Who you know, with me pedi. Which you see council, so you go for the fake one. Now, so the baby that should be a basa. Are you original or fake? You are fake.
You are fake.
You are more than fake. I like that one. What's the meaning? So we should be very careful about people's posting because they are posting. Some of them are not genuine. About 70% of people's posting is fake. It's not real. That's what I'm saying. That's what we should have in mind.
Papa Patrol, person me bisa say. Patrol say ne o kan say oba wari fo bi o ho a o nsiesie no. Ebia na bema no aka atwere ne saa nwoma no ompe se bi obesiesie no be nice se bi obenam bema bebre adwen bi sa wo mutim se na ire besiesie no obe nice obenam abonten a obi behwe na na so obi bese ne pe no o ma ne rini siesie no but okohu ade oba bi a waye no ho kama wo social media na se o praise no enti abasa na emama ne too jealous It's papa eba sa na oba no we mistake say we jealous na.
The question is a very good question. When it comes to decency, I don't think sir you can tell me not be decent.
Baba
me no. Means because they don't be decent because say we decent and if you dress up people will laugh you people know. Because actually me no normal. Nobody say beers no normal. I'm telling you. We are psychology but you comfort they have mental problems. But who criticize who no problem. Psychologically the man is not sound. When empire Bible can say you need neatness should be part of us. And so will be permanent. Mammy dressing. Obi be permanent no. Mammy dressing. No problem. Why are for no psychiatric name
difference in there mpatcho honum de me no we am be ma bi wo hwa to say fan so akoshi oba owo form or very nice lady also emmo wuti mfon hu de bia wo pese wo be ye wuti a like no amoa ye wotire bi conro emfa nwi nka oti ana obi wo so say amempe makeup but ko hu oba wa ye makeup social media lady iti de e be fa papa. And so, Papa, Ebia na iri go ebi ba obetinya ma oba no won in sem face.
I know na make catch us when you sound.
Wow.
That's yeah, the person is not sound. That's why I keep on advising you guys well, before you get married, make sure you date the person. Go out with the person, study the person. Know the good side of the person before you introduce yourself to that marriage. Otherwise, you find yourself in a lot of nema. Because I don't know who na bontia ope, but who I was on pedia. Do you think say that man is okay? He's not okay. But you will be one on pay idea design makeup. Me for instance, me pay makeup. Me pay makeup. I am a fe, me pay makeup. Me can say me fe, but me pay. And I mean pen that no mean say me yere ya me complain. Say then why makeup with you because a problem but me name yere ntem. What I mention I say. Me a tia uni say I say rasta di. I me fe papa. Was a friend idea me for pa. I said mammy penny why a payment na in crack a woman was a me name fit. And the moose will be a natural hair, say we say or a natural rasta me fankas. I mean, we will be about rasta crap. And as a man we say, if you buy shirt, no shirt jeans, no shirt sneakers, and I was shirt a be a hell be. No, you can't see man. We can see why catch my bonnet belt. And I'm from papa. And then bees now, you do good and son. Now say goose baby for baby at 20. Oh, sir, as a African color, red, gold, green, be with money. I don't know, but good near. If I be senior, be brave with the MFA. I said, we also buy a car. A swan, say be a SUVs. Car can see 4x4 cars now. Most of them can pick up and obey heavy truck. And then that is me. What the major fine. Obi subet me aka say ozuwe na enefe and away na enefe and oba sa shakaba. Maybe a year bana mo shakaba na slave na emefe. Many the culture no. That is me. Your culture you many job. Enti you nyeme bi wo hono mo a. Be man woni na obe hu ne wo pe. Then you give it to the person. They say no about the bema head. No baby catch them say, "Oh, the bema share singlet na, or share singlet na draw. Shares the man, na anything." What the meter say? Please, mun share try so be share ntie no kwa na ye hwa de nti jealousy no. Why you careful the social media push no the jealousy bebam. Amwa ya de no kwan say we amani pa bebre ni nkofo nya problem. Obi okro na wo twa o picture wo de ato no na wa dress na your original dress na the jealousy about be shade with the person begin to talk bad about you. We need to buy unye say obi a program ye nya bibia no be yo mo dress na wo de to no and wo de bejeje. But suban is something. Suban we need be no be chire obi a ma woni nye se wo chire because no one is perfect. Ade ye waste sika ye waste nyama bebre ye waste time and then you educating confo. Pick the good side of it. And I believe that there is no any bad side of what we are doing. All what we are trying to do here is we are educating the public to change or to do what is right. That's why we are here. So if we are wasting our time to teach you all this now, so on far, it's your own cup of tea. What am I saying? You know, my best advice is say, only be out, but not only Bible warrior who you're convinced. Say this is the type of person I want. This is the type of lady I want. This is the type of husband I want. I go back Sadia. Wait till na worry. Never go wanga ba anko ba sa na kase. Me hu yama kwa kutu e je no ba be show the real person that he or she is. What the baba be because human being they pretend a lot. Share video no. But modern dey bia obi an pacho adofo share na mo bi so share yen try say be share. Now a question bia so obetimi ebisa and I'm telling you God will bless you.
Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Pacho me say me bisa say. Even say me no aware. But your Eunice, now only Eunice day to one warren, but see our baby warren. Ebi na Eunice a posty baby. Now I comment. Na me na my jealous papa mpatro yes I was yes.
Oh, Obia or past. Obia or past. And to win the pair, I will let you know a jealous and be very careful. Because jealousy causes never be brave. Obia when the past. Say me you need the problem, but why should I make a comment?
Papa, Ebia comments no mine a harmless comment.
Let me tell you something. So first I'm really jealous now. You are talking about I shouldn't go and make any comment.
Yeah. The Papa Mpacho no. I was blocking nipa no on social
media. We are not talking about blocking here. But you can view it but don't make any comment. So if you give a comment, the comment to raise alarm or issue or problem or jealousy, why should I make that mistake? It's not good for me to make that mistake.
Apampacho ebi na won block you no. Ebi oni obani mi oni netwo na mo scroll Facebook. Ebi e drew picture o hwe picture no. Ebi o wa no wasan ho. Ba me no mi enu hwe na ye drew Eunice de so. No wasan Eunice ni. Oh. Ebi a won cash you and as ebi a won make comment wow. But the moment na me no wo hwe na ye drew bi so na wapia ko na wan Eunice de asa e kira asa abegina wa hwe ne sa.
It's normal. I normal. When you me enemy, when me ex. And I may share no, men in the night. May share no, me kiss you. Yeah, be proud of yourself.
Yeah.
I dear woman a war share. Ah, when me a Jamona or share the crow. What's the major answer? And the ex. One in Yaka. But who be man also who the type of wife or war. So your bar, cook you know the problem about. I want to walk here. Would you crown up both or better than about first and ye be or look a bit more for by some motion. I did be away a bit in problem about marriage. Don't do it. I didn't call any problem about me. Then I'm a Facebook group crown what's all. Make off a whole crown, make on me call then. And no be near Kayo. What's our raising jealousy? Maybe I was raising jealousy. Jealousy, but we had any problem no here. And answer who's cruelly a man and man of a problem be about. I'm telling you, in marriage, if there is jealousy, it's like that marriage is in hell. So as one worry will be some jemopa. They be a peace, what I mention. And we should also be very careful when we see that kind of what do you call it? Other people posting their videos, their chats and blah blah blah. Now we should envy them.
Okay.
Do you know the reason why?
No.
It can happen that what you are seeing over there is not real. So we envy her. Envy people's posting and their chatting and that kind of things. And so when it comes to videos, when we see them, we should not be envy or we should be jealous at. Because some of them are not original. Because you can even now me share will be a minimum video and the pictures in the video. Wow, the independent makeup is very nice. Who made the makeup now? No. After the makeup, what next?
You bath.
The real face will come.
Face will come.
And to be actually, Obi, you can't say. Ne, Ukraine de me from all phones. One other children. Gabriel said the scene in Tutua. Or when they share the scene in
makeup or no one.
A year, Nadia, who have a fair funny other. What could no? No fat. The people are very nice. Papa Payan chatted. Blah blah blah. Me problem. No aba. Obo be worry girl ni girl that dem who kisi na bo dey beto.
Where you ni see
And when you can see ya beto wanu. What will you do? So etebia wo jealous sa de na wo hu na wani akwaje hu a wo de akwa akwa. You know, social media, things that we see over there are not genuine, are not real, they are fake. Let me tell you one thing. Zoom, and one green background, and I see blue, green background, green screen, and my background more. Now me share Madame Fubie. When I was watching it, before someone watch books, library. In a TV kasi on to them say, wow, you dey nyame ase. Manya jealous, but many je say,
why yes sir?
Why yes sir? Tino, ni next video na so na na won twa wo office, on so office ben. Na be bia da no twa video we. No so, e zoom no so any day. But I don't know zoom. I don't know a green background be needed. No so a software there be me ka be bia office na wo de we no. No say me twa me ho. And I'm recording video no co post the video no a background computer the man and I say
wow. Where this even?
What this even when you me?
Papa what this even so
what this even one ho. And you me what this even me?
Papa didn't hear.
Some me praise no.
By papa so fake here no praise no.
Yes, but you say no, me so one say nko no nkotwa. Okay,
I'm jealous, dear.
Yes.
Okay.
Baby, I will try video down. I know that office of office. Ben. Office no travel. Could I was on Kai try on them? Because no. We try no ho ya, but a background. And the idea. Oh, tell me, and it was a very nice background. I said office and the TV, the desk, the DB, and the books, the DB. There was even like, hey, when you escape, what 2 books, maybe and books was a good say picture. What I mean is the same about who bear maybe say well this background hey bear maybe a menyano blah 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 so no original container when are they making oh yes original container who they try all the meeting and we bet me say a picture now the nice background attach it to kohuna yes so some picture bia wo ha so na background near New York Manhattan now we come with when you na down for be no na na eh
boy bia menya no
nya boy bia menya nkwa obi ani nyina tete say ono kodu America na mda so te adum na boy ni bu ofu na okotwa bi na osu e kire na ma na ochi agyeman na bada ben me free for bada ben me hu picture na wo New York no ayi bia kire adum be bia o gina na so ayi na wo London afi oh jealousy na wo ye no o bia kwa kopi ana obo so e bi ko no be ma bi na tewo ana ohu agyeman wo US New York no one in a chat ohu ye no you need chat agma so ye mo New York oh see e chance ko twa for na bia o gina car bi ho o mutimi de cars nyina ye no ye ya ene me pew no jai be no ne to no be ware wonya New York ba New York ne tano so New York ne kwa da so New York ne apatra pa he ya ne tano so he ye so they be too. That's why I'm saying that whatever that you see on social media, be very careful.
Be very careful.
Because it is not original. They are fake.
Okay. Okay. Papa, I'm passion person this I say. Some no worry near wo you are always on social media. The BIOT, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Papa, your advice about some catch say you have to quit from those social media no.
Yes. And they be already problem about marriage and I would advise you to tell your partner. Because when your partner is always on social media, like I said, was a Sunday, it always creates jealousy and monitoring. You will find out what is it that she or he is always on social media. So you will first monitor the person, find out what actually he or she is doing over there. Do you know what I'm saying? So if you monitor the person and go to know, say the person is chatting with a lady or a man, the person is doing blah blah blah, then the tracking or the monitoring will tend towards jealousy. And the and you know, why are you always on social media? So if I think so what I'm seeing, I don't like it, it's better for me to say, my dear, what you're doing over there, push stop to it. Push stop to it, and I'm telling you, it will help the marriage. Because about 70% of successful marriages are caused by understanding.
Okay.
Understanding. I don't like this. Mejai. Me what I mean say? Namoko. Who goes on social media? Why do you always want to go to social media? You need to quit. If only you want successful marriage, you are going out with somebody. The person said, I don't want you to be on social media. I don't like the kind of pictures that you post over there. I don't want to be. If you really love the person, you need to understand the person.
I'm sure we are on a bit meaning and down for so soon. Now, down for Nadia, Jimbia Shenton say, their money shows.
It depends on a man be a shop. But she's also
maybe an English, so maybe a next send your walking eye. Maybe also free social media, send a bear, a bema piece back. Or bet church much and down for say, now who couldn't now walk on were free or
maybe you. No, but this is one thing. So me, oh, catch them, may catch our bass in social media. Me cause over by social media and social media.
Papa, it will happen, no.
It do happen, but it's wrong.
Papa,
leader by example. So what's in social media? You should also quit.
Papa, ebi a meme social media na meme one. Edisi cable.
Oba ne de.
Be ma ne de. Na bi ono na mo ba na quit.
Scanner de ba na yemu de he.
Ebi ho no any business.
Fine. Then you are not there because of unnecessary things we are doing.
Baba sir,
or we are talking about. You are there because of business. But my wife is not there because of business. My wife is there because of what? Friends or chat. So in this case, my presence in social media is not near one to difference room.
But papa, if you are watching my channel, no one can just say me kuni de sikano a juma no yen who
or bani catching down. And say you no kasa, you no problem. Because with you and of course we not so 9 years you are drone near the bema. To adam for catch say or shall say you never down for mistake a mistake. One thing about lying, they say be very careful about the lying. Who chop we should be very careful. Because we make my metro nipa judge nipa wrongly because of only crab akwa wanka. Who trouble it will be a kumubi, who trouble it will be a duma say, who trouble it, who they say no the working. A trono could be an African or so. No berry, acting a man can sanity in Yaya. One a warrior.
Because I be a madam for Namikosus who children, no Nikunu, a giant life man, no, you are so me couldn't the own mammy, yes, say, me couldn't the own, yes, say, me couldn't your mamma say.
Oh, tell me, and to Mr. Kinds of walk and one kind of criminal no day wrong a drone amount. One day, don't have one or the amount. Two also kind of correct. But it's a business that man, you know, your business do social media. Now, Miss Wilfredo or Miss Wilfredo. Because maybe through will help you for you also to quit. What I say?
Yeah, can't say, yeah, so and I say. Yeah, type ya be. Yeah, better as you say, me kunu no what's me free social media. But me free social one me free social media. Wo no that's social media. Papa no and son at the peace beba
we have human differences. So the type of person that you are going to get married to. The most important thing in life is know the person. We are not any difficult. I would advise you to quit.
Papa quit the marriage na social media no.
You probably worry no. All this we are saying here will be
Papa mpajo bia na ya worry.
Meba. Mo be worry no. No ni social media, mo worry no about social media. Social media not about a problem. Talk to your partner. Let your partner know disadvantages of all course because of the social media to the marriage. Meba eno so.
Okay.
What I mention as a my so social media man could full the attention. I could be any kind many even hospitals you will see a nurse or what or many people saying more chat. I just see my walk and crowd with na attention could different when I coach or when they are. You come on Nedru at long last no. Instead of you to attend to your wife or your husband, you are attending to
your phone,
or your laptop, or your tablet, or your iPad. Do you know what I'm saying? So this is what I am advising the public to be very careful about it. Otherwise, always there will be issues. There will be misunderstanding. The argument will always continue because your attention has been divided. People can get divided, fully given to social media.
Because you're quite a human crass. Oh, yeah, Ubejuma use of phone.
Fine.
So say,
so who's the best one for phone? Obiano. I quite for near Unity. They make out myself. No, I for near Unity. You think a man use of phone. No issue for near Unity. Minimobia, na me hwe ade bi ni panel drive traffic light ase or drive na or sa car parking na me so park say. So what I saw was the guy was chatting. And there was a lady sitting beside him. So I rolled my glass and I told the lady, your life is at risk. Be very careful. Tell the guy to stop chatting. And you know what the lady told me? My car won't you. And I'm saying, any siphon. So instant, let the free car in him. You won't believe it. Let the free car in him. No, but from a car and I ready so in a tree.
Papa,
yeah, quiet. You do another traffic light. No boy, you know. I don't know. I know it's about. I don't my friend. I'm saying I'm fine. One day, see no about from a car there. And I read some soy and a tree. Oh, by ya, but do baby. When I'm catching, say, listen to that lady and the girlfriend. Listen to her. Hey, two things. I just saw big guy chatting. Now, they're not questioning life. A risk. Wouldn't suddenly be braces. You would have cautious about Ukomupa. You see, Obi the boy me car. The driver was chatting. My Jenna school food trim. Tiana me car. He was chatting. Full load on any person who carried.
Obianka wants him.
Till when guy in Sibaya me catch and said, Obi ba very young girl. Who person in the car stop chatting? I'm sorry, a boyfriend. Now the sister. You're very careful. What Nanam? What's what can win tea? Wouldn't my dear so American? Na me many no more cause omo kwaye ring. Abeware. And my told them nim till within be 15 minutes or time came on. Me man ye confused. And I'm say dear boy na ye mo worry time say 100. E so ni pomu bia so we nya na no worry a multiply. To no be one who subi mu a na wo kan onya ya I advise you to quit rather than say we be say me the faith when it comes to marriage we don't get married by faith. Who faith fa bom paye na nya adwuma but en fa faith marry.
But me who say ma bebre wa adwen bi wo mutim say oba wani monyam ne so be ware. Into the fact say enipa na ware no se wo ware ne nko an dodo na enu an hia wo. What
is aware? You are ware no ware no. You already na dem ka ware gino twen. Aware bon ka twen proper nka faso.
Papa bebre o no mo no ni.
That mentality that mentality is wrong and it's true. What you say? People think say if I got married now that is all.
And because papa me minim lady bia no person force just say our real ring na no person shebi. Ada ware na danfo. O se ne sofo ma me ne ka che ne say ada obaware ne nafofo no mu anko bi obi jealous ya kese ye sister mama ntimi anko bi obetna o ka say eye mama ya so oware papa pese sia na ye ka say waja ya ware no efrim
eno de ya de isi de bia and forget eye ne ya say wo ba bi ni say ado pe okuna no pa oyere no yeah
eye mama ya say wa ware
forget
cause mama
and I say so ja no so
ontimi kan chobi anehye no
yes I dwene no ya oni patrim and this fake prophecies in fake nyame na go ka chango for no so wa na o ware so a possibility so na mfo nyina be maba
no but there be
yes because obi wa media na ya said then who is the president you are getting married to who is he ke Japan na wo na say Kesbe
Rollins
another papa J na wa
papa humbu
oh sister give me a break. You know, so we should be very careful. Please share video. Why? Try so be share now question be a obetime be sana for comments so bra na Awurade Nyankopon obehira na wabra bo eno aware no akoyi e de amaw. Amen. Da Awurade Nyankopon ase.
Papa mpasho na me bisa say ye betimi the social media manage jealousy in our marriage.
With the social media manage jealousy. Meaning the whole person which with the managing in what ways?
Papa, set near I say, nipa baby portray fake lives in social media. But Papa, more social media, you obia dear and fake. Say Papa Yensho say you're on social media, you are doing the right thing, you are doing the real thing. Intimate make us a jealousy, me kuno jealousy because of social media. The million was social media, but I'm basing on what you are doing on social media. I'm a deba kelesa jealousy in my marriage, you know.
It's possible. A bit to me.
Okay.
A bit to me. Said the will be when mistakes and will correct them. Obu also I am quite a seminar card channel. And the day is social media and AM. So what we are doing right now is the advantages of social media, not disadvantage. So what we are doing right now is advantages of social media.
A
bit more. But also the advantages are not more. To be better than me do be at them and I make can similar name and crown America support. Benya dey say na bia wotrim ya hyewi medi nkuruma fa ho ma ya dem na me say they be one pair ma wotrim na me yia na me wig na tu na say obunko form beba line so. Because you know people don't want writing.
We could bet me share that screenshot a Hong Kong yes.
What na me na say. You know we say yeah yema yeni down.
Papa me pacho. Even say me no phone na me use on social media papa nyo na automan. Pacho me na mto ma dey. In the picture, all right to say, "Obey me, I can't say me free on."
Oh, in marriage, Hanka, we don't have this as mine. It's for us. We don't have anything called this is mine. In marriage, it is for us, because the two become one. You know what I'm saying? So your phone is my phone is your phone. And I was telling somebody this thing, was it 3 days ago? I was telling the person that. In marriage, your partner should know your password. May you know so my password. Or is it my password?
But you,
anything can happen. What they can
plan a surprise be a but I'm saying minimum password. It's my putting I'm a surprise now. And you're surprised.
So what is surprise? After surprise, what we are talking about important things. We are talking about surprise. What is surprise? What type of surprise now? Ukuhuna behave. Birthday surprise and now say
birthday surprise. Every brother we see that chame.
Me see that chame. Me see that chame ukuhuna. That can it cause anything?
Papa, ain't me cause.
Papa, ain't me cause.
Obi asade be cause so bone dia ma no onye be ifo na dia kesho.
Papa, anya ni say.
Me talk am.
Me say bia na
me talk am surprise. Ana akom say me talk am. Tenti ka no nje.
Papa mejo but mpacho ne wo.
Ana wo hu ye no ebufu wo so nya ye dey.
Papa me bunfu yo ba me pese me chese wo se ye mi no bia hu ne. Hu me password am so me hu password. But e bia sa surprise nti na ma share the password atoso a. Etimi create
until me the password akoto so.
Me
the password no koto so no. Wo be hu ye no bu ofuta na me the password ato so. Until ka me man da ho sa na ko surprise na ka den be.
Papa ye bibia.
Afi no se password ni here. Some me the password akoto so me ne be ko de. Ene me fa password ni to so be hu surprise na so dwemra. And a phone, I'm not saying don't put password. Don't put password.
Surprise here,
oh. Yeah, surprise. I mean, maybe a surprise is maybe. Surprise that man any problem. Me for instance, surprise I'm quiet. So I'm advising you to be very careful. I'm advising you to make sure say we really should know
your password.
Your husband should know your password. And the reason I'm saying is that if you trust your wife, if your wife trusts you. If you know, say the type of person you are going married to, know, and you will be more problems when it comes to this idea. Many people now it's good so many because a home be here, Debbie. Last time now, could be my password. No, these I'm saying I don't could me password. I'm saying could me password. Me and my password. The dear bit many could that. The dear bit messy. And I didn't have phone so and password so on farmer will be
Mommy and
intimacy. And so I should be how we sit down or that. What the parlocks be 20. Last time we could be fee na me abonti no obi ani pro. Obi we, no obi we, no obi we. No. Ada Musa to am na
Mozambique prison.
Prisoners be wahan. Was there not a confonti. E just so wa. The same parlock na be say gina ho credo. Who dey gina konfon ko an obi amani tua no. Credo dey gu.
Papa me ma me bia minim no. The man say wa ukoto su okura ni first gate.
Ne mu kura wa mu kura wakasa so parlock tu. Parlock dan fridge. Parlock that the main gate, the garage parlock. I was at the back and go for parlock on Sunday night. You know, parlock. Oh, yeah, you know, BBC said the same parlock. And now we be able to swear. We be didn't watch it. Ebi ne kumo bi akwada so no. Lotto agent bi a owu ye no. Wotimi ye bia but the last one no.
And no went
me. But before they manage you say emergency exit. In case of anything there's a muffle.
Ghana ye ni bi. Papa ye mobo.
Mobo papa.
Papa so wotimo bi.
Yeah mobo.
Enti ye mobo pa.
Udi akromfo echi anya de be ba.
Papa so ye.
When the padlock after Hibaru kra no padlock atutu. I saw down when she padlock.
Papa.
Hibaru padlock.
And when you papa the padlock
the padlock who could be anyone to.
Enkwenya nyina padlock dem papa.
Enti
no.
Say the papa ne for na me when papa.
Oh, asem. Fasho yen hye won saka video na hye na afoforo so enya bi enhwe se ne ebeboa ye nyina ne atimi enya awarepa yetimi enya good relationship ewo ya wawe mu ye date mu ye bibia intodofo e ma won kwa won hwe video ne hye na afoforo so ensa enka bi papa fasho na mpese
mami ka temo when you get what do you call it? Attention, Emma, social media, a distractor from your partner.
Okay.
By marriage is to spend time with your partner, and I give you attention to your partner. And you have worry social media, ma, one any partner into my day, artist. Who come on the one man or ban to share them and to. I will be at the phone so. And a crook, and one year editing, movie editing, yeah. Me ye near bought titles enti mami ki wa na title boy or type one one say one for be type no ye no fa the phone no ye lucky
so one fam
come just say ano aduma ye ni abra me ma bra so still was about title no I don't mean put me the camera and phone no this is what we are discussing on social media. Oh, so within short time now,
the concentration free. I didn't know about phone. And I'm going to say, this is at the end of the America, Mammy Quadu, any unit will say, if I called and you did not pick it, I know, say, I have 15 minutes. Because most uncle for we, my phone, and the phone, no, so phone, I can't go back. Phone, because I feel my brother from Tona home. I mean, tell me, phone, be a 30 minutes, I won't fret back. I know, see what friend I want you then. Oh, fret back.
Maybe I need to charge a phone.
Oh, it can be there. Someone to me said, who you can't get a friend. And I know that. But what I'm saying is, say, now, the devil, and say, devil, I'm going to do point to be say, phone, no, your time. And my phone, than see your family, your marriage, your business, your social, what do you call it?
Our daily lives.
Your daily lives, you know. Nina is about phone.
Mediana crisis.
Phone credit mediana, said your worker. And when to know, person you want to say, my fire attention and social media more. Ever made the problems being pray about it will fight against your education, your future, your marriage. Your plans, whatever that you are doing, the so-called social media can distract you.
But my patron, say importance being what attention who in marriage and a DNA importance my marriage.
Oh, and the unity. The most important thing is unity.
Okay.
Ecclesiastes chapter 4 verse 9. Ecclesiastes 4 verse number 9. Show Bible me. Oh. Marriage, the Bible says the two become one, and there are Metaka says life. Everybody needs somebody, and the marriage too is not fair. So when we are married and there's a problem, I have a problem, you are the one who should solve my problem. You are my wife, so you are the one who should solve my problem. If you have a problem, I'm the one who should solve your problem. And if I have a problem, you have a problem. If you have a problem, I have a problem. That is marriage. Because the two become one. So if my attention is on social media, do you think your problem become my problem? No. Because my attention is not on you. My attention is on my social media, on my Facebook, or my WhatsApp, or whatever.
Whatever.
So, but if my attention is on you, I'm telling you, your problem will become my problem.
No problem.
If you are sick, I'm telling you, that is the time I may make sure do. Some many also importance of marriage. The importance of marriage is unity and love and peace. We got married because of unity, because of peace, because of understanding, because of communication, because of attention. That's why we got married. So a marriage without attention is not marriage. It's a marriage. Quantintin and I'm so. What a measure. And into the attention, no. As something at two atomic. It's Ecclesiastes chapter 4, verse 9. What's it?
Pastor say, two are better than of one.
Two are better than one.
Because together they can work more effectively.
Because together they can work more effectively.
If one of them falls down,
If one of them is sick, one of them falls down,
the other can help him up.
the other part can help the one who have fallen up.
But if someone is alone
If someone is alone
and falls,
and that person falls,
it's just too bad.
it's very bad
Because there is no one to help
there's no
him.
one to help. So marriage is the two. And into who can.
Now we
In marriage, some two and some two grand, some two. That is the time when you partner also what children. And Amos chapter 3. Let's go to Amos chapter 3. Now what's the verse 1 going. It also says Amos chapter 3, verse number 3. I think I'm correct. You know,
you are better than one.
we should have that passion. Your attention should be my attention. My attention should be your attention. Have attention. Give your attention to your spouse. Man, attention. Give him or her attention. But your attention is on social media. Your attention is on WhatsApp. Your attention is on, because we have people who have fake lives. And now okay. Obi timi hwe na bu ofu. Obi timi na attention nyina ye videos. Na me ka kura sini bia no nya Netflix da. Na mpe ho asem man Netflix. Wo timi hwa
Papa, okasa no kura wo.
Because Netflix. So quotation and
na busan so she many bra kram
New Castle and no friends Castle and Castle.
A trip to Jamaica.
A trip.
What home.
I thought Papa a trick credit. Sure. Yes, you room your corner. Emma chapter 3.
But I say the two people start traveling together without arranging to meet.
Can two people travel together without arranging to meet? It's impossible. No. It's big no. So two cannot work without accepting that we are going. Yeah, baby, you accept it. Time was said the band was said the band baby. So in mind the two shall be one. The two shall be one. And what I'm talking about here is the attention. Give your spouse an attention.
Papa,
what else here? Don't give attention to your phone. When was the last time you feel lonely? Or you were confused? Then you hold your spouse, your wife or your husband. Whenever you feel lonely as a married man or married woman, you go to your phone. Is that right?
No, it's not right.
Because the phone has become your husband or your wife. So when you feel lonely, you go to your phone, which is wrong. Who feel lonelier? Your spouse, your husband. If you're confused, your spouse, your wife, your husband should be the one also on the casa. You shouldn't be the phone.
Papa, not say my husband, my fiancé, them if he's not also giving me the attention, Papa, no.
If you're dating any lady, any guy that doesn't have time to give an attention, I will advise you to quit. Because dating crana also more attention. What is going on social media? My case has someone people that you see them on social media. They are not people who are there. they are imposted where wo but yes any pan or boho me so be me accounts but I don't know anything about it be accounts but na nyame oh recently me no be one will be sending me message where you want we do the fast be Timothy now po be ebuna me kojo me na me sere ya because baby a wo ko me fro na eba to unya cement in China there are people who obetimi afikia ya be won hyewa amade wo wote ho no obi free ho won ko no so onye original they make it mase
passion
won ko fro say nanka de wote ho no kra na ye
fa beta
amafo timi de ka be to Facebook ka ne boy say ye ton han won ko na enyo na fake enti me sramo yenye very careful and crofo meet on social media criminal so ho original ho fake doctors original doctors will be the doctor they do Facebook so to be duro o asrama so atare white dey say ne boy nyedene
tell any private
e bit ma pam o tell me chance Kofi atare no shino de kwa adwuma so obi she ka say doctor obi go be duro doctor and so be should doctorate and always the way DR on the any problem but enkohu no emfa into an amount it can be say what you are seeing over there is not genuine. Hallelujah.
Amen. Pacho me pese me bisa say a good say married woman ebi a wonu kunanya issue I very stronger ebi a won pese ebusuani bi abebem maybe all the problem no about to social media seek advice
mami sure dey about me I don't argue with people on social media and I do bit me mistake na na do ochime bi onu ntime na yes if na wa na no what phone so no who posted there no ma comments no go can say na so wada no bo funu sorry social media nipa egu ono nyom nya na nipa papa bia wo to bu okwu nipa bia on na agiwa wa na obese di wan kasa ho atem
papa bo e bi o post yen
nipa na egu ono wo si come advice no e bi kura gimi chen wa na wo wo gimi ye no o ma gimi chen to be e be gimi square
papa e bi na gimi fo bebere ho ne bia na wo wani tiye o hye atem na ye wa homete no wa make comments bi ebi a wo jimi bebrebe na edoso ebi a wo nko a wo de ba ko no ba na obehwe a obetimi afa ama na boa no
na menche wadidi I will not advise you say if you have a marital issue go public on social media so a solution we have people, we have counselors, we have people, learned people, God gifted people that can support, that can help you. Social media nipe bi ho. If you can find any problem or no so problem by him. I want no so. What did I mention I say? And nipe go social media no. Say to you say obi the marital ade aba beto na wo o turn aba beto no ma. Then I make am fa ho. Wait make baby bebre. Ana meboa. Wait make kan ma bebre. Ana okura bet ma up for obi cry advice or no e obi na dey akoto. Advice copyright.
Papa bia na no so obe fa ma na boa no.
Okay, let's this what I'm saying. Don't go there. There's no any solution over there. How many marriages don't promote about social media called NDE? No. I saw mommy on the call radio senior. Yeah, I heard the end. Egu. I did wait me to be. We for say normal. Now no matter me if true say any true so I mean yes boy should be see girl be obi ne no die. Confirm no get the name aba. Say get the name aba.
The name aba.
I will car be my so confirm.
Any mama.
Shadi bi. O brother. E do so be worry. Na ko na ko na se sa get no be wan na dey na be kan kire.
Papa question you.
O brother. Eso onye oba bi ba be worry no. Odo oba ba hwe asemi no na ese die okoka obi kwete no. E wono a. na meka che obra no
papa
dobi akromfo ne ko da na ode ye dili ba Facebook ni atro na brother so wa be wa no na be ka che obra da no
papa so meka che so wo be boa wo de a
o papa so de na papa be ka
papa efo Kwami Obano kofa no
Edu pacho
Obano kofa no be dey
Hu se wo ka obi ebe ma na wo se wo pese wo wari no
fine mama nje wadi bi wa baby amumu de angram furu be na America be si ba mama nje wadi
Papa man ka me di
kan wo de
pacho one e di kai no Oni ya kasa bebre about life and the way we are in your message. First one, and your ban fault. A accident. Na second one, me as we say asema me kan ya say self defense. Ade na sie wi. Me ya hu hwe nyeye. E bia na oba no, ma mpena ma menua ba ma ware na e bia oba no abusua na oba mu. E bia nhye bi benam so ma bia so so.
God bless you.
I will never stop it.
This is what I'm saying. Social media odin enimu ba be kan sansem enye.
Papa mpasoma
Esie wi do ye na me back no. But to come out with your face. So baby gina wono, I'm telling you.
Ba papa say enyo no
enye do bi no dey na ha
Papa social sene de bia wutu ye for social media on papa. It could be say fufuro no because according to nyame mete no. Lady ne ko hospital. Incidents ni see ye na chi. So hospital wana or di treatment na akwa no so ba. Ana ma ye chi. Papa.
By interview na bi so aba be ye no na me ne kan wasemo.
Papa e Ghana na
ye ni mu aba no.
Papa esa nyo no na de ne pe no de nanim ba.
Sa papa Ghana hana ye wo. The moment obi beti obi beti mi atwe no phone call video.
Mami sure dey wa. I have my right. Nipa no we na yes I dey me ache no. Me I have my right. Don't take any picture. I have my right.
Papa bia no wa adwena ma so se me take it.
Niti mo wa de me so. Hwe ade bi won eye de me ka kire mo say history. Ade we history. Asem na si fa esi ewi ya che no. Die nti na eye ade bu ani ade akaba na nim.
Because some person public dem.
And the best thing to one kasa, but me cover na nim. I just walk where Rebecca will be better more. But I bet you record be a year and double ma or no.
Papa say no kind will be any the way we see Jenny.
Yes. I know more years or mam one. Or mam one.
Papa to me ne dear. Just any work as a winning. Me pana kam ko hu na. Papa me nka hwe da. Me de be hye me hu no mako.
O me nche no.
Papa me ti me nka.
Hey, I also a big problem.
Papa,
you next week. Nyame adoma Sunday. You be share. Why? God bless you. God bless you.
Papa, you're poor.